Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. Consult a doctor before practicing. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases. Videos in this channel are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. These are for educational use and general information only and should not be a substitute for the medical advice of your own doctor or any other healthcare professional.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today we're gonna talk about sugarcane pose. It is a variation of half moon pose. It is one of the most complex pose. In this pose, balance is the key. Have a look at the pose first. First I tried, but couldn't balance properly. In every pose, consistency is the key. I remained consistent and finally I did perfect sugarcane pose. This pose improves leg strength and also improve your balance, stretching the quadriceps and hamstring. Avoid this pose if you have any past injuries.